Hi, my name is Sasha Wyman. I'm an ACM practitioner at Amtra Solutions. And for today's tech tip, I'm going to be showing you a new feature in Microsoft Teams called Live Components. So you're going to want to open up Teams Desktop and navigate to any one-on-one or group chat. You can see here I have an Event Planning 2022 group chat happening, and I want to add in a task list. We need something that can track our tasks associated with our upcoming event. Now, in the past, I might have created a team and built a planner into it, or I might have made a planner separately, but we only need this for a short period of time. So I'm going to go ahead and use the new Live Components feature instead. So to use it, you can look at this icon on your chat ribbon and click on it. And if you don't see it yet, you will likely have it in the next couple of weeks. And you can see here, it's giving me a list of all of the live components I can add to the chat. So I've got everything from a bulleted list. So if I were creating an agenda, I might use this, to a paragraph. Maybe we're working on a document together and we want to get that first statement correct, or a task list. So I'm going to go ahead and do a task list. And you want to be cautious here not to hit enter because it will put the live component in immediately. I kind of want to draft this up first and then hit enter. So I'm going to add a title to my task list. I'm going to go through and I'm going to add in some tasks associated. So I know a couple of these are going to be on me, so I'm just going to go ahead and assign that to myself. And I'm going to select a date. I need to do this pretty soon. So I can do this ahead of time to whoever is in the chat. And then something to take note of is that this has similar permissions to a OneDrive or a SharePoint file. So if we click into this, we can specify the permissions to our live component. So we can select just people within this current chat, which is a best practice that I would use. Or if you only want specific people in the chat editing, you can go ahead and make those choices here and then disable that allow editing option. I'm just going to leave this as is, hit apply, and then it changes there. So I can delete this right now, but I want to send it. And now everyone in the chat can see this. And what's really nice about this is when someone else is editing this, I can see that. So as soon as someone else in the chat starts editing this list, maybe they're assigning items to themselves, you can see that happening, and vice versa, they can see you working in the list as well. So very much like the co-authoring experience we have in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. A couple of other things you can do here is you can copy a link to the live component and send it in another chat, and you can also always delete it from here if you like. This feature is still very new. We're going to see it continuously change in 2022. It's going to be added into your Teams meetings where you're going to be able to take live action items, live notes, live agendas. But for now, I really recommend working with this and trying it out and getting used to the feature. Thank you for watching and have a great day.